This is the only video you ever need to understand SAP in a simple way. Most learners don't fail because SAP is too difficult. They fail because no one explained it simply. Why most people struggle with SAP and how I see it differently, let me show you. When I first stepped into SAP, everything looked complicated. Too many modules, too many jargons, right? So too much of confusion. Like most beginners, I saw SAP as just another software. But everything changed the day when I realized one thing. SAP isn't just a tool, it's the backbone of how businesses actually run. From every penny spent to every product delivered, that's when it finally clicked. SAP is like a city, right? Every part of this city has a role to play, right? Some parts are needed to survive, some parts make life better. Let's look at the functional core, right? This is a city life. Then look at finance, the banks, the tracking money in and out. Then comes controlling, the finance advisor showing profit and losses, sales and distribution, markets and malls, sales, billing, and customers. Then materials management, warehouses, stocks, purchases, deliveries, production and planning, factories, keeping production moving, HCM, human capital management, the HR offices, hiring, payroll, people. Without this, the city cannot run, right? Now comes the technical core, the hidden infrastructure. If you talk about base system, electricity and water, these are invisible but very critical, right? Comes to ABAP, engineering and builders extending the city. Then comes a security, the police, access control, protection. Beginners ignore this part, but this is what keeps the city alive, right? Now the industry specific things, right? Extra facilities, quality management. See, like quality inspectors inside factories. Then comes plant maintenance, mechanics, keeping machines alive. That's called project maintenance. Then comes project systems, right? Project managers building bridges and the towers. Then FSCM, financial supply chain management, advanced bankers managing credit. Then business intelligence, BI and BOs, analysts turning raw data into real insights. See, not every city needs them, but when it does, they add more power, right? Here is a real truth, guys. Most people fail in SAP because it's not difficult, because no one explained it simply. That's when I come in. My long term vision is very simple, to make SAP so clear that even a beginner feels, I get this, I can do this, I belongs here. Because SAP isn't just a career, it's a way to shape businesses, economies, even lives. And I have made it my mission to guide the next generation with clarity, with confidence, with community building. If SAP is a city, where would you begin? Do you begin at the functional side, banks, shops, HRs, or on the technical side, electricity, builders, police? Tell me in the comments. And if you want to learn SAP SD the way it will be used in 2030, not in 2010, not boring slides, not outdated theory, but through storytelling, fun, and gamified way, with real project thinking. Stop overthinking. Thinking feels safe, but thinking keeps you stuck. Action changes everything. If this video made you think, now I finally understand SAP and SAP SD, that's your signal. Click the link in the description or in the pinned comment, or simply comment SAP SD below. Join my SAP SD masterclass. We don't just learn screens, we build mindset, we build judgment, we build confidence. See you inside my community. Thank you so much for watching.